Howdy, y'all. So I was trying to get back for my medical and procedure, and I thought the van was fixed after the mechanic found the loose bolt. Let's take a look.
But you don't see anything in the front?
All the mechanics looked in the front, but no one checked the rear differential. Probably because I told them I just had it replaced in October. So there was a loose nut spewing oil, should be fixed now. So I go to take a train to get back to Reading for medical appointments. Booked it all the way. I was going to take the train from Michigan into Pittsburgh, and then Pittsburgh to Lancaster to see my family and go to my doctor's appointments, and then see my sister in New Jersey and Maddie in Virginia, and then I was going to head down and see JDubb, Jessica from JDubb Vlogs.
The oaks are always brown. The maples are everything from purple and red to yellow.
We're checking out the fall foliage, which isn't much yet here, but you're starting to see some maples and some beech trees, the yellow ones. Stopping at Walmart to pick up a last minute few things and got some Vandoodles. This is real life. And this is when it wouldn't start. I literally just went inside Walmart and came out with a fresh battery for my remote. Maybe that had something to do with the electrical. At any rate, we're stranded for 2 hours until this
Here
rig
we
shows
go
up.
again.
Oh my god. Pull that thing windshield for one thing. It's blocking your view.
And there's only room for one rider, so one of us hid in the back. Shh, don't tell. Here goes Vandoodle up on the wrecker. It's one thing after the other. I am riding in my van on the back of a flatbed. Well, I'm sorry to say, my trip is canceled. I was supposed to go back to Reading to get my endoscopy and my medical taken care of that I didn't finish when I was at home visiting my kids, and now I'm broken down again. I'm on the train right now. No, I'm not. What else can you do when you're on the back of a flatbed? Okay, here we are almost back to the farm. Took us about an hour to get back.
Up in the air.
Momentarily, I'll be able to get out of my
Pointing
rig,
downwards.
but right now I'm still on the wrecker, and we're just backing out onto the
Another
grass
exciting adventure. If I wasn't laughing, I would be fuming, pissed off, but I just...
I got the driver to doodle on my van hood. Well, here we are. Here she sits. The tow guy said maybe a fuel pump, but maybe it's something electrical too, because I just got done putting a new battery into my remote because the daggone thing wasn't working. So I literally just got out of the Walmart getting a battery for the remote, popped it in, and the daggone thing. Stay tuned to see if the daggone thing starts in the morning. Nothing like being broke down on the daggone side of the road. Thank y'all.